Hi everyone, I'm Danny. I'm the CEO of Zapiens. Basically, we are a knowledge management company and we born 4 years ago. We start to work with two worlds, the corporate world and the educational world. At the beginning, all our resources came from the corporate world. Basically, we are a software as a service company. So we invoice our customers per user. So during all this time, our customers, corporates and small companies pay us for each user that use our platform. They use us to train their employees, to discover knowledge gaps, to improve the culture of the company, increase the engagement of their employees. With the resources that we receive from this corporate world, we got the opportunity to offer by free our technology to universities and schools. What we discovered during this time is that there are two worlds that we think that we are able to mix. Because in one hand, there are really great content from the 21st century as critical thinking or project management that are being created by the corporates and that we are able to offer by free to the educational world in a marketplace. And the other thing that we discover is that in this unique marketplace, we want to include even prizes, recognitions, and perks, once time more financed by the corporate world, because we need to promote and stimulate the students to use the platforms to learn, to change their behaviors. This is what we want to build in the next year. We want to build this MVP. We think that the best place to build this MVP in order to reduce the inequality, because at the end of the day, that's our goal, make accessible the knowledge for everyone in this EdTech program. So I hope to see you there. Thank you very much.